Hello, I'm Chris Gaskin and welcome to my channel Ultra Woody. A big welcome if you're new, and please feel free to look at all my old videos. Last week's video was a beer mug that looked like a barrel. Okay, right, have a look at it, let me know what you think. Okay, this week's project, I want to build a little racing car, and I've got a little bit of wood here. That's what I'm hoping to achieve, and what I want to do, I'll glue this piece of scrap wood against it to give it a bit of balance, because the center is going to be there, and I'm going to turn it round, and then I might move the tailstock again, shift it over, get another shape out of it. I don't know. Alright, Jackie Stewart type racing car, that's the one, from the 50s I suppose, whenever it was, or later than that. Alright, let's crack on. If you're still with me, thanks for staying till the end. I've finished my project. It took ages. I don't know if you realised from the beginning of the video, I wasn't feeling very well. So I've been sick all week. And here it is. It's my racing car. It is pretty much what I imagined. I was thinking it was going to look a bit too goofy halfway through it, but when I assembled it all, it's all come together. The point of the multi-axis turning was to get the nose narrowed down. Okay, as you can see, it's a V8, and there's no racing drive yet because we got some peg dolls in the house, and I made the hole, and I thought, yeah, that's plenty big enough. When I went to get the peg doll just now, it doesn't fit. So I will be making a peg doll for the racing car. You'll just have to hang on. It'll only be a short video, but it won't be a weekly one. It'll be a bonus special. Ooh, how exciting. All right, well, I hope you enjoy my little car. You can turn cars on a lathe. It takes ages. It really does. All right, I suppose I could have made it smaller and been a lot less flash with it, but it wouldn't have looked so good then, would it? Okay. All right then. Well, thanks for staying to the end once again. Don't forget to do all the usual things, sharing it and commenting. I do like a comment. Okay. I hope to see you next week. We'll have something a little bit simpler for next week, I think. Anyway, bye.